Welcome to the VISTA Training Jurnee Instructor Kits, where we believe training is not a destination, but a journey. Each Jurnee Instructor Kit contains all of the materials you need to complete an equipment training session. It is broken down into 4 basic areas: plan, train, practice, and evaluate. Each kit follows this order no matter the equipment type. All materials included will help the instructor to complete the entire training process. To plan for the training session, the kit includes rosters, how to set up the classroom and field areas, hints on how to plan for the entire training class, and even more. To train the students, the kit includes both a training overview and a step-by-step instruction on completing the equipment training. To practice the training, each kit includes hands-on exercises to get the student familiar with the equipment and complete operating tasks. Finally, each kit includes ways to evaluate the operators and assess their ability to actually operate the equipment. The materials included in each kit are access to an online VISTA equipment training course, access to materials to project for use in classroom or group instruction, and downloadable instructor and student materials for use throughout the training. Each online VISTA equipment course includes topics to present the student with an overview of the equipment, an explanation of how to conduct basic and sometimes advanced operating tasks. While conducting the training, there are many times when the instructor will have groups of students to train. To assist the instructor in completing this and getting the class involved, each instructor kit includes the group presentation materials. This would include items such as course objectives, a discussion guide, and reconnect topics, to name a few. Everything an instructor needs to complete the training is available to download in the instructor kits, beginning with the trainer's guide, which is the main resource for the instructor. They can also download the roster, objectives, discussion guide, reconnect topics, checklist with guidelines, and evaluation tools. We've even included some materials to assist the student in achieving success in the training. Some items are available for the instructors to download for those students. These items include a complete student guide, course objectives, and checklists with guidelines. Now you can see that everything you need to complete your equipment operator training is included in one handy Jurnee instructor kit. Order your kit today and begin training your operators right away.